GE dryer making a clicking noise. So normally we look for the front bearing assembly. That's the normal thing that we would go look for. So as you can see, I'm going to take that apart. But the bearing assembly 100% is shot. There's no question about it. But in this particular instance, that was causing it. So I'm going to tighten all that up nice. This right here, you can see this bearing assembly needs to be replaced. There's no question about that. But just that right there, and it gets rid of the clicking noise. So a couple things could contribute to noise on these old square box GE dryers.